Hey everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to share with you some online exclusives. We are in pre-order right now, and these go live to customers beginning July 3rd. And you can find them on my website, and I'll leave information in the description below. Okay, so the first collection that I want to share with you is called Season of Green and Gold. And this is the suite that I got. So there's more. I'm just going to show you the paper right now. These are the, what are they called? Season of Green and Gold Specialty Designer Paper. And this is foil paper. Isn't that pretty? So it's got lots of gold foiling all throughout. And then the flip side is this dot paper with green dots. And then the next one also has foiling, lots of sprigs of pine needles and eucalyptus maybe, whatever you want to make it, and then berries, and they're all foiled on white. And then the flip side is this green stripes, and it's distressed. This one is gold diamonds. Nice. And then the flip side is this mistletoe, maybe that's what those leaves are, in greenery. And then bells, and these bells are foiled. Isn't that fun? So then we have mistletoe and pine needles. And then the flip side is this pretty plaid. Love it. And I've got the same theme here with the pine needles and possibly mistletoe, and it's all foiled. And then the flip side is this distressed piece of green. And then we've got these sort of starbursts all foiled, gold. And then the flip side is this greenery. So pretty, so pretty. Can't wait to start working with these papers. I'm just gonna make some really pretty Christmas cards. Okay, and then another type of paper that comes as part of that suite, and you can piece them out and just buy this paper if you want to, is some vellum. It's specialty vellum. So we have this one with the sprigs. Some are covered with snow, and then we have this vellum. You may not be able to see it, but it's distressed. And this one, look how pretty with the greenery and berries. Love it. So you get 6 sheets of vellum in that collection, or that set. And then, let's see, the first stamp set is called Golden Greenery. So we've got those same bells and all the different greenery and leaves and berries. And then the dies that you can get, some, let's see, I'm not sure if they coordinate. I think these are standalone dies. Let's see, there's more. There has to be more. Haha, here we go. Okay, so these are the standalone dies of greenery. And then these are the coordinating dies that coordinate with the shapes that the stamps cut out. Okay, that's a nice set. It will get a lot of good use. Okay, so that's Golden Greenery. And then part of that suite, there's a lot in it, is Greetings of the Seasons. We have lots of great sentiments to create Christmas cards with, and tags. And so these are the actual size of the stamped images right here. And then the dies, we've got lots of tags, and these have little dots that will get embossed. And then we've got some banners and rounded edge tags and other types of tags in different shapes. We'll get a lot of good use. So that's Greetings of the Season. And then part of the collection is some satin ribbon. And this is quite wide. It's 3/4 of an inch wide. And it's like a ivory colored satin. That's pretty. And these I just love, 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 love. So like glass dots. So we've got them in threes, and these are kind of iridescent, and then red ones. And so we've got them in threes, and then we've got them in singles. So love these, and I predict they are going to sell very quickly. So if you like them as much as I do, you should probably plan on ordering July 3rd. Okay. All right. Then part of the online exclusives, this is a 6x6 paper set called Iconic Celebrations. And these papers feature patterns that are for like fall and winter. So we've got trees, and then the flip side, nice Christmassy. And then we have candy canes and greenery, champagne glasses and hearts. So these will take you all the way through fall and winters. Then we have acorns and dots. And then we have a plaid and little sprigs with some berries, stripes, and more leaves. So you get 4 of each pattern. And then we've got like fireworks and candles for New Year's, or this could also work for maybe Hanukkah. And then we've got more trees, and I love that one with the snowflakes and apples. No, pumpkins. They're red though. And then plaid, doves, and stars, and diagonal stripes, and more trees, confetti, and stars. Love it. Okay, so that is icons of the season. And then there are some stamp and die sets also available that are part of the online only. So this set is Changing Leaves. So you get the photopolymer set of stamps, and then you get, this is one of the stamp and cut and emboss folders. So we've got the embossing folder here with these leaves, and then this has a die that's going to saddle in to the embossing folder, and then you can cut and emboss everything in one pass. So there's additional dies, and these are just lovely. They'll get lots of use, and then for sentiments and such. And then this one is a single die that it just sits right in your folder, and you can feel it kind of click into place, and then it's not going to move. And then you can just run everything through. So it's going to emboss all these intricate leaves, and it's also going to cut out 3 different leaf shapes. So that's very, very cool. I'm very excited about working with this set. So we've got lots of great sentiments. A little note to brighten your day here for you. Thank you. Couldn't have done it without you. You're amazing in every single way. So lots of fun with that set. And then this one is so cute. It's a sophisticated sled. Look at the little cardinal there. So we have let it snow. Let's decorate the season with happiness. I hope your days are filled with fun and laughter. Yay all the way and good tidings. So you've got those images, and then you've got more with the dies. So you've got the sled, and then you've got this to give the wood grain, and cut this piece as well. And then you have the blades of the skates, and then you've got the laces of the skates. You can do other colors, and then you can cut out the skates. And then you've got a couple of sprigs to create this wreath, and the skates themselves, and then you can cut the whole wreath out. So very useful set, and lots of cute things that we can do with that set. And then this last one is kind of fancy too. It's called Frosted Forest. So you get the stamps. So you've got thinking of you and how you strengthen my life, birthday wishes for a day as great as you are, thank you, no beauty shines brighter than that of good heart. So got a nice stamp set. And then you've got the Frosted Forest decorative masks. So these are 6 layering masks that you can color the trees in and make it look like there's snow on the trees. And then you've got the Frosted Forest dies. So I love all my outdoor scenes, so love it. So you can cut out all the intricate cuts of the trees, and then the outlines. It's got a couple of birds, and then you've got the leaves for the larger tree along with the branches and trunk, and then you can do a tree line background with these. So love it. So there's much more. I just got some of the things that are in the online only selection, and you'll be able to see what is there beginning July 3rd, and I'll put information in the description below. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it, and then you can find all of my videos. And thanks for watching.